Okay, the difference between non-agency and agency repair is that agency repair is what we call dealer repair, what most of the clients know as dealer repair, wherein the authorized dealer of the vehicle will repair the car following any claim or accident or any damage.
Suppose if it's a Toyota, it will go to Al Futtaim. So whichever brand the car you have, it will go to the same showroom for the repairing, and you have the original parts replaced, original and brand new.
On the other hand, non-agency, your car will be repaired by the shops authorized by the insurance company.
Such as Al Habtoor, or Dynatrade, or Munich Motors, which are equally great.
The issue of agency repair is very interesting in the UAE. On face value, agency repair cover costs quite a lot more than non-agency repair. But at the same time, it doesn't mean that agency repair means significantly better quality repair always.
Agency repair is compulsorily given as a cover for brand new vehicles. Suppose a 2013 model vehicle will, for the next 2 years, it will be covered under agency without any additional premium. All insurance companies across the board do that.
There are a simple set of rules that I follow when it comes to agency repair. If your car is brand new or 2 years old, you probably will be eligible for free agency repair. Certainly, this is the case with all the policies from insurancemarket.ae. If your car is 3 years old or older, then you may have the option to consider non-agency repair.
Agency repairs, for me, in my experience in the insurance field for like the past 3 years, I really think that it's not that important, not unless your cars are like those high-value cars like the Lamborghinis, Rolls-Royce, and the Ferraris. Because obviously for these high-value cars, we need to have the right agency to repair the car. But when it comes to for the common cars like Japanese cars as well as the ODs, there are a lot of category A garages here in Dubai. For example, Dynatrade, Munich Garage, Europcar, which repairs the car very, very, very well. It's as good as agency.
The experience at the agency nowadays is also not too great. I think I would say most agencies are operating practically like monopolies. For them, they have way too much business, and the insurance companies have nowhere else to go if they have given agency repair. Hence, what you find are very long turnaround times, and sometimes the quality of repair is actually compromised upon purely because there is so much volume that they cannot deal with. Sure, they will be always installing brand new parts in your car. Sure, they are regularly audited and supervised by the auto manufacturers that they represent. But that doesn't mean that their success rate is any higher than those first-class workshops. The first-class workshops that are on the non-agency panels of our insurance companies, they are actually operating in a competitive environment. Hence, it is in their interest to ensure that repairs are of a good quality. Otherwise, they can be just thrown out of the panel or not be paid for a particular job.
We have made it clear that especially the local insurance companies we deal with, we make a rapport with these garages. In non-agency garages also, there are A, B, C classes. So we make sure that we deal with the A type of garages, and we make sure that cars are done at the reasonably above average service levels and at the very good time frame, and the customers are satisfied.
You may note that one of the leading non-agency workshops for the BMW and Mercedes brands have actually been set up by workshop managers of the agencies themselves. They're essentially replicas.
The non-agency spare parts will not specifically be from the manufacturer of the car, but will be equally good standard as well. So if you're worried, whether I should go with agency or non-agency, and if it's a really high premium difference, then just go with non-agency, because in the end, insurance companies do offer 6 months guaranteed repairs. So even if it is repaired with non-agency, and if it breaks down within 6 months, they will make sure that your car again is repaired with no additional cost. So that's the benefit.
If you have an exotic car of some sort, or a car that is worth very much, you would probably be eligible for our private client group benefits, in which case we can assure you lifetime agency repair. But if you're driving a very normal Japanese or German car, there are several A-grade first-class workshops available, and you need not pay 50% more to go to an agency for your car repair.